Hello? Hello? Welcome to another vlog session of unboxing of some of Regine Velasquez CDs. Yeah, today is way much shorter because there's not much to discuss. But it's still worth to discuss this CD because, again, like what I said in my previous vlogs, ito yung mga rare. Ito yung mga hindi ni-release in the Philippines. Kasi in the first place, this type of CD is not for sale. It's not for commercial sale. It's just a sampler CDs na binibigay sa mga radio stations abroad to market Regine Velasquez before, during Polygram days. So, nauso yung ganon. Pero, si Polygram, there was a time na nagbebenta din sila ng single CDs talaga. It just so happened na si Inang, itong mga CDs na to, hindi talaga siya for sale. And you will know that it's not for sale kasi it will say on the label na hindi siya for sale. So, it's for promotional. But, sometimes I'm thinking na, bakit ang daming ganito? Meaning, ganun kadami yung minas-produce nila na sampler CDs just to market Regine before. In fairness, yung support din ng Polygram sa artists nila, alam mo yun, para makilala. They invest much para syempre makilala before, especially if a talent is trying to penetrate a specific market. Like ngayon, di ba? Less effort na yung mga artists to promote themselves. They can do it for themselves, sometimes even in the absence of record companies. But before, gaya nga ng sabi ni Martin Rivera in one of the interviews, for an artist to become noticeable, they really have to papansin sa record producers or record companies, because once you are noticed by a record label or record companies, they will do all the works for you. They have all the machineries, the capabilities, all that's needed for you to become a star, sila nagagawa. But now, in the absence of record labels, ang papansin ng mga artists now is through social media, which is very, very easy to do. But sometimes it's hard for a record company to notice you unless it becomes viral. So, medyo mahirap din now, pero mas mahirap dati. Kasi you have to prove a lot before you will be taken as an artist, as a roster of their artists in a record company like Viva Records, Polycosmic, Vicor, Alpha, and all. Anyway, I just said we're going to make it short, yet ang dami ko na namang hanash. So what we have here is a CD sampler, promotional CD that was released only in Hong Kong. Not sure if Hong Kong, kasi meron din ganitong variant sa Taiwan eh. Pero iba naman yung likod niya. But this is it. You Made Me Stronger single CD. Regine, walang apelyedo. Grabe sila sa Velasquez. Velasquez is a very prominent last name in Spain, and yet they want to drop it. So during that time kasi may mga baguang artists na, if they are not known in the countries that they will be sold into as an artist, they will drop the unknown last name or perhaps change the first name altogether. So nauso dati yung mga aliases sa artist, even though hindi naman talaga real names yung iba. Parang artist din, acting artist, mga artista. So this is the front cover, no folds or anything. It's just a plain cover, not much to show. Pero ang ganda niya dito. Gusto ko talaga i-recreate to during photography of myself. Pero hindi ko magawa kasi tsaka natin, day. Ang simple lang ng backdraft, niya. Backdraft niya sa likod is crumpled plastic ba to na napula. Then a Chinese garment ba to? Chino dress. A yellow nail paint. And then, parang nilagyan ng tint na pula to sa sa Photoshop or during that time an editing software, photo editing software. Kasi bakit pula yung niya? Pinula nila to tapos iniba yung tint. Kasi iba din yung kulay ng kutis niya, para siyang may hepa. Pero ang ganda niya pa din. Based on the interview, one of the interviews of Regine, hindi daw siya yung nag-makeup nito sa sarili niya. Kaya hindi niya gusto yung makeup niya dito sa My Love Emotion. Pero ang klase ng look niya dito, ha. And wala siyang false lashes. So, lashes niya talaga yan, feeling ko. Tapos naglagay lang ng deep liner sa base. Then, yung half moon na eyeshadow. Nauso dati yung sobrang nipis na kilay. Here's the mini leaflet at the back. The flap. The logo of Mercury is an international record label under Polygram. It's under Universal, or basta ang daming subsidiary kasi ng Polygram is a subsidiary din kasi sa Europe it's Polar Records, parang ganun yung mga distributor ng ABBA, yun, yung EU dati, wala pang EU dati pero may na ganyan. Ayan nakalagay, for promotional use only, not for sale. These are the songs under this CD single. You've Made Me Stronger, In Love With You, Follow the Sun. That's the spine. Hindi makita kasi itim, nagde-defocus. Ilayo na lang natin. Then, at the back, the classic takip mukha. Pero sa isang version nito, na ganito din, iba naman yung mukha niya. Basta, I'll show it to you some other time. I have a list of CD that I'm going to unbox to show you. You've Made Me Stronger, composed by Trina Bilamide, from Regine's second Asian album, My Love Emotion. Vocal arrangement, Babsi Molina. Recording engineer, Dante San Pedro. Recording studio, Green Hills Sound Production Incorporated. Ewan ko ba, sa part na to ng Green Hills, ang daming recording studios dati. Andito din sa Green Hills dati yung Pink Noise Studio. Not sure if Green Hills Sound Productions is still in operation today. In Love With You, from the album Listen Without Prejudice, first Asian album of Inang. Follow the Sun, the same. So Follow the Sun was written by Glenn Medeiros. Siya yung kumanta nung Nothing's Gonna Change My Love For You. Produced by Alex Young. This is the CD, a beautiful, it's not maroon, it's carnation, no? Dark carnation. Pero sa iPhone, iba yung kulay. It's dark carnation. Oh, nasira na yung buti na lang may jewel case pa akong spare. Well, iningatan din siya ng may-ari kasi wala masyadong gas-gas. Yung gas-gas na sa lang. Nasira yung jewel case, kainis. Okay lang kasi wala namang siyang original na label, so nothing to lose. There. So that's it. So that's this single that was released in Hong Kong. There's another variant of this I mentioned earlier na I'm not sure if it's Taiwan. Ganito din siya pero iba naman yung dito. I like this, You've Made It Stronger. You Made Me Stronger. It's a heartbreak love song ni Ate Reg. If you try to believe I'm not over you, go ahead. There's nothing wrong with making believe. I know, 'cause I used to pretend you come back to me. But time has been such a friend. Brought you... Ay nako, favorite ko rin nung time na to. Nag-emote-emote ako sa ka-situationship ko dati. Hayop siya, charing. Feeling. 'Cause you've made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love and letting go of a lie. 'Cause you made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you for the next unboxing short muna bago yung actual video. And hope I have more time to, you know, a spare time to use to unbox so many of the collections I have, especially the rare ones. So, see you next time. Bye!